Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's NILA. Today I'm going to be reviewing the SolBody products. I'm not going to waste too much of y'all time. I'm just about to get right into it because I can't stand when people do videos and like they don't just get right to the point. Like they be talking about totally different things except what they need to be doing. So, alright y'all. So the company is called SolBody. They have body products like the oil that I have right here. I'm going to be reviewing for y'all. I have another one as well. So basically it came in beautiful packaging when I first got it. I'm going to show y'all the packaging. So here's the packaging. It had bubble wrap in it too. So it's like, it's very, very trendy and cute. Okay, so when it sits for a while, the oil kind of settles. So I'm about to show you. And like, that's perfectly fine. All you need to do is just shake it on up. And there you go. So that's it. I just wanted to put that out there. That's perfectly normal. Nothing wrong with the product. You just gotta shake it up. Because sometimes like the oil in it kind of separates from like the shimmer that's inside and like the other ingredients. A dry oil is a quick absorbent oil. It's non-greasy and it's lightweight. So with these oils, you can put them on and it's going to automatically absorb into your skin. So it's not going to be nothing like baby oil or anything where it's like kind of sticky and transferable. You can get it all over your clothes and stuff. It's nothing like that. As soon as you put it on, it's going to suck it right on up. So let's get on to a few swatches. So I have two different dry oils. I have warm gold right here, and then this one is bronze. So I also have a really cute Kabuki brush that came with it as well, and this is so nice. So yeah, it's really good for putting that product on. Really good. So yeah, they have this that come with it. I say get it because I mean you won't want to use any other like brush with it. This one is the Kabuki brushes packaging. It's really cute. And then this one is the Shimmering oils packaging. So the whole set of these, it comes with two other shades, is $58, so not too bad. Or you can get just one for $15, and then the Kabuki brush is retailed for $12. So it's a pretty good deal. And like you'll probably have this for a couple years. Like I know they say like look on the expiration date and stuff, but honestly like for $15 you're gonna have this for a minute. So this is my first time, and I'm going like back and forth on the camera, so don't mind me y'all, because it's like either look at that or the screen. So but yeah, so this is my first time swatching these products, so we about to swatch this together. I'm gonna do one swatch with it dry and one with it wet. So we're gonna do a swatch of this wet and a swatch of it dry, and a swatch of this wet and a swatch of it dry, and then both of them will probably end up being my favorite, but I'll do a stroke with the brush as well. I kind of want to do a stroke with the brush on my legs, but I don't know, I might save that for like something else. So first we're gonna swatch warm gold. Go ahead and put that on. And this is warm gold. It's really pretty. This smells so good. It smells like the beach, y'all. It smells like coconut paradise. Whew. It smells so good. And I think this is a sister brand to Colourpop too, so you know it's gonna smell good. It's beautiful. Alright, now let's do warm gold wet. Alright, so for us to do a wet, I have two sponges. that been kind of, you know, floating around in the water. I'm going to squeeze one out. And then go ahead and apply it. Okay, that's dry. This is wet. It's really pretty. I feel like the color kind of came out more with it being wet. Don't you? It looks a little bit more yellowish, goldish in that one. All right, now let's do the other one. This one is bronze. Not a little bit too much. This is bronze. It's a little darker. I think this one's my favorite. Okay, now let's do it wet now. These little sponges get bigger too when they get wet. Alright, so let's do the bronze wet. I feel like when it's wet, you can get more product on your body. That's the only difference with it being wet, because it's kind of more spaced out. Most of the glitter is spaced out, but like when you use it wet, it's more so like put together. Oh yes. Oh, I love this. This one is bronze. It almost gives you like that dewy look. I'm gonna show y'all what I did to apply the bronze. This one is the warm gold, so I just put a little bit on my hand. Dab it with the wet sponge and then apply. Look at that. I'm loving that. And I'm gonna do a swipe with the Kabuki brush for y'all as well. So let's take, I don't know, do you put it on the brush first and then put it on your arm, or your arm first? I will put it on my arm first. So let's do that. Ooh, yes, look at that. Oh yeah, that's gonna look great on my legs. And this brush is so soft. Oh yeah. Look at my glow. So yeah, y'all, that's it for the review. I love this product. Alright, so these two, honest review, I like the bronze color more just because it's deeper for me. But I really think these two are some great products. They just stuck on my skin, honestly. I like the application better with it being wet though, because it is more consistent with the coverage. Oh, hold up, I can put these on my titties. Girl, hold up, I gotta swatch this for y'all. Let's do the lighter one. Let's do it with the Kabuki brush. Girl, I almost forgot. Look at that. I'll be all glowed up. Oh yes, girl. About to be all glowed up. So yeah, you can use my code 5NILA, NILA number 5 NILA, for any discount with Colourpop and SolBody. I believe it works with SolBody too, since that's their sister company. And honestly, like, I'm very impressed. This is the first time I really even took interest into a dry oil. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.